In this video, you will learn how to create a ClickBank affiliate account. First, go to the ClickBank website, then sign up. On the homepage of the ClickBank website, click on Start Here Now or the sign up button in the top right corner of the page. Fill in your details. You will be asked to fill out your personal information such as your email address, first name and last name, phone number, country and password. Agree to the terms and conditions. Read through the ClickBank terms and conditions and check the box after you agree to them. Join ClickBank. Once you've completed the form, click to join ClickBank button to proceed. Complete your profile. After signing up, you will need to complete your profile by adding details such as your payment information and tax information. Set up your affiliate marketing account. After filling out the necessary details, you can start browsing the ClickBank marketplace for products that you want to promote. Start promoting. Once your account is set up, you can go to the marketplace tab and grab unique links that you can start promoting to your audience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.